Hi, GC News. Beba Obibia Akwaba. So we are subscribe to the channel now. Best say over subscribe. What the other say over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We have a new video piano. I be upload once everything. After we are now like video, give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for so now. We know now one place. So I say had the latest and hot news of Kwana midday promo. Afi yempo eye and some about the yiti and some airposo it is on.
Be Timika. Oh, Adna movement yan Timunko, yan Timunka, any other. So on the general. Yea, yes, sir. Yea, Coca Nivi. Sir. Yea, dear no. No man am better ring. Oh, Yabutre. Me too. A submarine campaign. Which is just yeah. Okay. What you say? Yeah, ma'am, Bubo, Kunkron, near the day. No, yeah, okay. Young cause some microphone free. Ye basse or mumma measure effect in your day. There is no effect. Okay. Ya transe, ya she. Ye jinano, ya rap politics, moi, ya nantia, ye new city. Okay. A new style of campaigning. Namoye. I no. Mim ye mu said ye no, I will radio. But, what's saying? Mechanical call. Anyway, mechanical call. Okay. And yes, I shall come on tip. I'm the bay. Okay. Anyway, moments of Mugabe. Eti, and no, and a day. Ye can't say I'm going to dear Vano. Never saying all of a sudden. Now, free soon until a monka. Eh, then no more so votes to say in the Gaigan. I see. So near General. Okay. Me buy me Shemuboko, me ye meetings, and I may corner me buy near share near SCA. Young Crawford so, just a hunka, our body Juma. I am telling you, is a something miraculous will happen in this country. Okay. December 7th. Wow. So that you know. Eti omo de ano msiu. Omo kwa de kono. Ye wo krom ha say. Ye be dey besi. Enye party bi rupe ene wo krom ha say. Anyway. Anna, you see, there is another propaganda. We need to diffuse it straight away. Okay. So be independent, that's what we know to mean for more government and 1992 constitution, Emma Kwan say independent candidate and for me. Contest. So a propaganda, people should just throw it somewhere. Okay. Allah we need for more government, all right. Also for more government of national unity. Okay. So on the baby. Now washishe was about 40 ministers and what the Juma. Conk. Say constitution say majority should come from parliament. You knew only 21. That's right. What did you say? Just one over one. Just 21. 20 plus 1. No. Okay. So 21 answer no more. 19 can everything start a Juma. Okay. Na ye koye nim. Okay. Wo ko parliament is kwa koye Juma magana. Enti na manfo ato abamo. Ni asande tax. Edi tuawoka. Eti sakwanya ba sebra be ye adwuma fasom Ghana. Na wo gasa wo nya se Ghana for help. Ana me wa. Eti sa pepe net ye. Anet the yususu a propaganda ekoso ana me say MPP for enkosi daben. Ayire so September o mo be be nomination. Ye Valeria mo be sa akoso biom. Na ala de won contest na kasa. Oza ya tamsi ka kesi amano sanomuka ne members nyina ye ne omaka etiade no mu nko ama nkrofo adwiri mu ayo mu kasre ne chese anya no kure NSA baby ahodo ama visit nyina sa question ye bisa anam ka chom so ndo mu nyambotre ye beto aba ne December shebe yankopon ya Adom ne nyina etiase September beba according to EC calendar September obe be nomination for a candidate application filing of the candidate. Eti ye faliwe near your balloting. Near Salanda number 1, and that's what that's here, and that's what she has seen in the Gaga one. Now, for moon some propaganda, the Negaza. So that you know, Allah is contesting, and I can tell you on authority, say nobody. Take it from me. Nobody. Our approach Alan say, Alan, we want you to come back. Nobody. They should stop that propaganda. Wow. They should stop it.
And I want to test what is now. So mobile respond here.
Yana. Oh.
If you are no more testing,
try water.
Water.
Yeah, try water. That. Maybe I did that already. Okaza water, see water, and you're here.
So, no amount of anything will let you go back.
Me say, yeah, leader is resolute. 7 December, Ghana for Ebetuaba Mano. And for the first, in the history of our country, Yababenya independent president. Obabe form government of national unity.
Okay.
And this is for officer or Mubaba, MPP for office or good or the Ombaba, PNC, CPP, academia, traditional authority. Obibia will warn him, Tieno. Sandy Pano will come on board.
Okay.
Yen Konko, ye Abaya, ye Bubrija. Already, Makacho said 40. 40 no so. One fan and one gaggo. Send a man for 2 or 1 to Anna. You buy a 50, you buy a 60. Everybody should state it. Okay. It should be in the document. You bet him who responsible. So, that the current, what you said, ministries are war is over 30. Alan, aye, realignment, the ministries are or the Baye Duma, ebe baku 16.
Okay.
So 16, a move bre or hoduma, I just 1 minister, no deputy, no minister of state. So, that was 40. That is our ministries 16 yinano, a move ministers, Anna, a bio honomoa. Ebia ye minister near the minister of state be 2 akano.
Okay.
No my because yakikabum we there for the yinti no membo kakra ne attorney general as a minister of justice there constitutional ye untimi enyimfrim eti ono ye number 1 no alan say ye to abama na onya yi sa nipa na no deputy.
Okay.
Now your minister of finance and then no ka say ministers 4 and all your trade and industries ministers by 4 uka 2 ministers ibomwa ministers in kwanye 8 alliance oba obeka minister of finance economy trade and industry abom I am one minister no I know one minister or appointed 1 substantive minister no appointed 2 ministers of state 1 in charge of trade and industry 1 in charge of finance and economy 3 just wa 35 just imagine sika was save this country and then Land Cruiser, 200,000 and above. Minister, we have a Land Cruiser, man. $200,000 Land Cruiser, which is by 3 million plus.
About 30 billion Canisican.
30 billion Canisican. It is just 2 ministries. Nipa 8 and they occupy ho. Wakabum, or the Nipa 3, Wakati 5. 30 billion times 5. 150 billion.
I say we nation.
What you say? I can't say a juma
money.
A juma beti bedi. I was anti-mamu hangwa. I just 2 ministries, you know.
Yeah.
And was save that. I just Land Cruiser Bakupe the Adima minister. Your man is a lunka account. Your man a garden boy. Your man who cook. Your man who watchman. Your man a den. What can say your money in our boomwa? Just imagine. Sika ye save this country. Na yenkwala abeko school near so muni classroom team. Na ebi ni akunya no mo de da form no mo twro any ade. We can do all this where we are able to cut down government expenditure.
Wow.
MPP Baba mu first 125 ministers. Just multiply by this number and see. So that is number 2. Number 3, food, agriculture and fisheries. Or no 1 minister, no deputy or a foreign affairs and regional cooperation, 1 minister, no deputy. Ministry of Defense, 1 minister, no deputy. Minister of Education, substantive minister, no appointed a minister of state in charge of basic and secondary education. Period. Yebenya 2 per honum as compared to the current one. Ministry of Health. 1 minister, then 1 minister of state in charge of traditional medicine and mental health.
Okay.
Well, we Ministry of Interior, 1 minister. No, and if you want ministries, be 6, 7.
Abo mine bako.
Why no bako? Or no Ministry of Infrastructure.
Okay.
transport, road and highways, railway, aviation, port and harbor, communication, digitalization, works and housing, sanitation ministry. What can you know? Now, where ya mabubo yina ukobia mu 3 ministers. And we are talking about 21 ministers. Wakambu mwa bako. And we are minister of infrastructure, substantive. Now we are 3 ministers of state. Bakobe in charge of road and highways in the Kakahon. Bakobe in charge of communication digitalization. Then Bako Aya in charge of public housing, water system, sanitation, and the rest. Let's just say Akwakoye 4. Out of 21, Wakati 17
away.
17 times 30 billion. What was Ghana was able to you to now Mutino. A month for Mutino.
17 times 30 billion. 550 billion. 510 billion.
That's right.
Yes, 510
a month for
billion.
Mutia. Mubie Mupiper in Zomano. So on the Etiano. Sa Muntie. Na muntu abana muntu niye.
Okay.
This is ne Davina Ishak be any 5 and over. Linear. Anyway.
Yo waiting for because just need so and our head no so we now subscribe ya necessary open subscribe now I like it now for you watch video no ama of for so any na what was over to Otchere what in fire and some week now I will comment box in Mobati Gabby in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.